Hello and welcome to this brief little tutorial on how to take scores that you have as a variable inside of SPSS and convert them to standard z-scores. And so we're going to go right into SPSS, and here we have a table of all kinds of data, and we are going to focus on this line right here. This is the math SAT scores. They're going to see 670, 700, 640. And what we want to do is convert those to standard scores based upon standard deviation, or z-scores, and have them appear in this column right here. And this is an incredibly simple process once you know how to do it. So this is the variable SATM, which is the SAT math. We simply go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and select Descriptives. Once we're here, we want to take the math SAT score from this list of variables and transfer it over here into our list of variables that we want to have computations for. We go into options and we can have the mean, standard deviation, mean, maximum, all of these things. That's fine. Continue. But the key point is right here. If you check this little box right here, it says save standardized values as a variable. Now it's plural because you can send a whole bunch of all these over here. You can, and it will create a new column in the data table that you can then apply other, further statistical analysis to. So I check that box, save standardized values as variables, and I press OK. I get the output window here, which is simply giving me the descriptive statistics that I had selected in those checkboxes, but more importantly, I now have a new column. You can see right here that a new column of data is now present in the SPSS table. And what this represents are the standard scores, or z-scores, represented by the SAT math scores. So a very simple process. Now, if I want to do further analyses, I can select this as a variable, and I can do analyses on the z-scores, which is part of the assignment that we're looking at. So essentially a pretty straightforward process. It's just checking off that box, and it takes those scores and translates them into measures of standard deviation that we know and love as z-scores. So I hope that's helpful, and good luck with SPSS.